Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can get logged into our Poshmark account using the application. So for starters, I do not have the app because it is restricted in the region that I reside in, but I'm going to show you what the interface will look like. So if I tap on this Poshmark and tap on login, you will see an interface similar to this if you open your Poshmark application. In here, you can either continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple. Now, all you have to do is tap on this username or email and type in your username or email that is related with your account. Type in your password. If you would like to stay signed in, check this box. If not, uncheck it and tap on login. Now, if your credentials are correct to Poshmark, you will be able to get logged into your account. In case if it's incorrect, you can also come back onto the same page right here. Then tap on forgot password. If you would like to reset your password, it will ask you to simply type in your username or phone number again and simply tap on reset password. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.